Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string functions, lstrip, partition, replace, rfind. So first of all, what are strings in Python? So string is nothing but collection of any characters in Python. So the technical definition goes like this. So collection of characters represented in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. For example, if we take something like hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes, and then we can also use triple quotes to represent multi-line string. And technically every string internally provides indexes to its characters. Example, SS hello, HELLO. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, left to right, HELLO. And Python also provides negative indexes from right to left, which is -5 to -1, or if it is from right to left, it is -1 to -5. So now coming to slice operator. So using this slice operator, we can access individual characters of a string. Example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, HELLO, or SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So now coming to the string functions, lstrip. It will remove spaces or given characters from the left side of a given string till the occurrence of non-matching character. Next, partition method. It will split the string, okay, with given characters or given string, substring, and returns a tuple. Okay, so splitting of string is partition. Next, replace. It will replace old string with a new string in the original given string. And then rfind. It will find the substring and returns the highest index of that substring in our given string. If it is not found, it will return -1. And this rfind is done from right side. So that's why it is the highest index. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python string functions example 7. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking SS 3 spaces 1, 2, 3 followed by hello. So print SS and then print ss.lstrip. It will remove spaces from the left side of a given string. So save the program in your working directory. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. So 3 spaces hello, after lstrip it is only hello. Next, I want to remove special characters. So I'm having SS 4 stars, world 4 stars. Print SS and print ss.lstrip of star. It will remove stars from left side of given string. So 4 stars, world 4 stars. After removing 4 stars, it is only world followed by right side we have 4 stars. Okay. Next, coming to SS https //www.icicibank.com. So print SS, it will be printed as it is. Next, ss.lstrip. I want to remove https://w. Okay, so w dot means till the non-occurrence of the matching character, it will do the stripping from left side. It will remove h, individual characters will be matched, h, t, p, s, :/w and star. So let us execute till here. All this will be removed from the left side. So this is the original string. So we just got ICICIbank.com. So https://w. So till the non-occurrence matching character is I. So we just got icicibank.com. So now I will strip a little bit technically now. ss.lstrip https. I don't want colon. Colon is not there. So 2/w dot. I want to strip https. Colon is not there. So the non-matching character occurrence is colon. So from colon it is representing all the remaining string. 2/www.icicibank.com. So till the occurrence of the non-matching character, which is colon, it will do the stripping. After that, it will not do the stripping. Still we have 2/www dot. Right. So next we'll do the partition one by one. Okay. So hello, welcome to Python strings. So ss.partition with spaces. So it will return a tuple. Okay. So this tuple, okay, till the partition space. Okay, and this tuple contains three parts: before part, partition part, and next part, remaining part, three parts. Right. So tuple, see here. So space is the partition. So before part is hello, and after part is welcome to Python string. Okay. Next, I want to split till hello. Hello itself is the partition. So before hello we don't have anything, so nothing is taken before hello. Hello is the partition string. After that, space welcome to Python string is the remaining string. So this tuple contains three things. Next, so partition with respect to strings, which is the last word. So see here, hello, welcome to Python. Okay, space, this is before part of partition, and the partition string is strings, and after that we don't have anything, empty string. Next, partition with respect to com. So we don't have com. Okay, yeah, com is there, welcome. So com, this is a partition string. Before that, hello, well, and after that, e space 2 space Python strings. Next, partition with respect to semicolon. Okay, now semicolon is not there. So what happens is, so since semicolon is not there, so this is the partition string which is not there, semicolon. So empty. So before that we just have this string, hello, welcome to Python string, the complete string, and after semicolon we don't have anything, so empty string. Right. So next, coming to replace. So replace is very simple here. Hello to Python, welcome to Python strings. So ss.replace o should be replaced with 0. Okay. Right. So we'll execute till here. Right. So save this and run. So o is replaced by 0. Wherever there is o, it is replaced by 0. So next, replace. Okay. So ss.replace o with 0 up to 2 occurrences, only up to 2 occurrences. Okay, so HELL 0, T 0. After that, Python, welcome to Python. These are not replaced, only first 2 occurrences. Next, I want to replace SS original string with by in the original string. So the complete string is replaced by. Okay, right. So next, coming to rfind, finding the substring from the right side. Hello to Python, welcome to Python, and bye to all. So I want to find 2 from the right side. From the right side, this is the 2. It will return the index of 2 somewhere around 42. Yeah, 42, 42nd index from the right side. Okay, first occurrence from the right side. Next, I want to find 2 from 6th index. Yeah, 6th index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from T, I want to find 2. Anyhow, you'll get the same thing, 42nd index only, because it will do the searching from right side, not from left side. Okay. Next, ss.find 2 from 6 to 26. So 6 is TO 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So in this range, I want to find 2 from the right side. So from the right side, this is the 2. So it will return 24. Okay. So next, I want to find TOO, which is not there. 2. So it will return -1 for unsuccessful search or find. So this is how we are supposed to work with string functions, lstrip, partition, replace, or find. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.